The Election Commission of India (ECI) has issued a notification for repoll at 11 polling stations spread across 5 assembly segments of Inner Manipur parliamentary constituency. Polling held at the particular 11 polling stations on April 19 has been declared void by the ECI according to a press release issued by the Chief Electoral Officer, Manipur. The 11 polling stations to be repolled are Moirang Kampu Sajab Upper Primary School, S. Ibobi Primary School East Wing, Kurai Thongam Lekai, Kongman John 5A, and National Children's School, Thongju, Iroisemba Upper Primary School Eastern Wing, Iroisemba Upper Primary School Western Wing, and Iroisemba Upper Primary School Middle Wing. Bamon Kampu Upper Primary School, Pioneer Academy, Bamon Kampu, Irilbung High School North Wing, Irilbung High School South Wing, and Kaide Makalekai. Polling would be held at the above-mentioned stations from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. tomorrow, it added.